How to recover banned EA account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site ea.com. Once you are in here, tap on this icon where it says EA Help. It will land you on this page. In this page, click on EA account. It will redirect you to this page. Now over here, click on I want to check my ban status. You can see view your bans and suspension. Tap on go. It will show you all the history. Now simply tap on this link and then tap on email us. In this section, enter your active email address. It will simply lead you to this page. First of all, in this section, select banned account and then enter I have been banned on my EA account by mistake. Could you unban my account please? Once you have written, tap on send. It will be sent to the EA support. Now within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you. After that, your account will get unbanned and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can unban your EA account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.